The phrase butter up is a colloquial expression that describes the act of complimenting, praising, or being excessively nice to someone, often with the intention of gaining favor, obtaining a favor, or manipulating them in some way. This idiom draws its imagery from the notion of spreading butter on bread to make it more appealing and palatable. When someone butters up another person, they are usually using flattery or sweet talk to influence their feelings or actions. This can be done for a variety of reasons, both positive and negative, and the effectiveness of buttering up depends on the sincerity and motivations behind it. One common use of buttering up is to build rapport or establish a positive relationship with someone. For example, in a social setting, people might compliment one another's appearances, achievements, or personality traits as a way to initiate or strengthen friendships. In the workplace, employees may use this tactic to gain the favor of their superiors, hoping for promotions, raises, or other professional benefits. Buttering up can also be employed strategically to manipulate or persuade someone to do something they might not otherwise agree to. This can include influencing decisions, obtaining special treatment, or getting someone to reveal information. In such cases, the person using flattery often has a hidden agenda or ulterior motive, and their compliments may not be genuine. In certain situations, buttering up can be seen as insincere or manipulative, and it may not yield the desired results if the other person is perceptive enough to recognize the ulterior motives. However, when done with genuine intentions and authenticity, offering compliments and praise can foster positive interactions and strengthen relationships. The phrase buttering up is often used in a playful or teasing manner to describe the act of using charm or flattery to achieve a goal. It is essential to recognize the difference between genuine compliments and manipulative flattery. Genuine compliments are based on honesty and a sincere appreciation for the qualities or actions of the other person, while manipulative flattery is driven by self-interest and deceit. Buttering up can be found in various aspects of life, from personal relationships to the workplace, social interactions, and negotiations. It highlights the human tendency to appreciate recognition and praise, but it also serves as a reminder to approach such situations with discernment and an understanding of the underlying motivations. In conclusion, buttering up is a figurative expression that involves using compliments, praise, or excessive niceness to influence someone's feelings or actions. It can be employed for various reasons, including building rapport, strengthening relationships, manipulating others, or persuading them to do something. The effectiveness of buttering up depends on the sincerity of the compliments and the intentions behind them, emphasizing the importance of genuine interactions in both personal and professional contexts.